everyone, today we're trying everything bagel ice cream. Time for a taste test. This is Jenny's Everything Bagel Ice Cream. It's a limited edition flavor that we got from their website. It comes with cream cheese ice cream with an everything bagel gravel. Let's go ahead and dig in. Here we go. I taste the gravel, very oniony. It's like a sweet onion. It's weird. I wouldn't say it's bad, but it's having a very unique flavor. So you got the sweet cream, you got the onion. It mostly tastes like onion. If you like onion ice cream, this is gold. But we can really make this better. And I know what I need. An everything bagel. Okay, let's try this out now. Now it's like cream cheese before my bagel. Oh, bagel, we go from boom to boom. Okay, now it's very good, but I think it needs something else. Gravel. Alright, we got ourselves some everything bagel gravel. Alright, so we got the gravel in the ice cream. We got the gravel on the bagel. We got the gravel. Alright, here we go. There's so much onion. I had my hopes up for this. Was really looking forward to this for like months on end. After trying it, it tastes like onion. So if you really like onion ice cream, this is for you. Was it something cool to try? Yes, I had a lot of fun trying this. Would I serve this at my next party and throw an everything gravel party? You betcha! If you like what you saw here, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
I don't like it, why do you keep eating it?
It grows on you.